Okay, we're recording the sewer line here at 3631 43rd West. The date is February 23rd, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out here. Oh, what side are we on here? I think we're on the west side of the house here, towards Lawton. Or not Lawton, but Discovery Park. Pulling back from this point. This is a point in the backyard of the neighboring house, 3623. I'm going to pull back from this point. This is the point where their house main soil stack ties into this shared common line. So when I come back from this point, you see a little rock and debris in the hole. There's our tie-in at the top left, kind of top of the screen. There's a tie-in there for the soil line. So we're going to come back from this point, and then we're going to bounce over to that backyard and run the camera that will show the rest of this line. So coming back from here, we're in 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. See, there's some rock in the line. That's never good. That's indicating somewhere along this line we're broken. Quite a bit of rock and debris in that section of pipe there. Again, this is a shared section still. On the left side of the pipe here, you'll see a tie-in. Based on the information I received from the homeowner in 3623, that is likely a laundry drain tie-in. So 26 feet back from that first tie-in, we're going to zero out our footage as we go here. 26 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe back to that laundry drain tie-in. Now we're coming back. Technically, everything back from this point is the line of 3631. That is the spot here where 3623 joins the party. So this is all 3631's responsibility here. This appears to still be 6-inch diameter concrete. We've got very worn bottom of the pipe concrete here. And we've got a tie-in to the pipe right here. I'm not sure what exactly that is. We're going to bounce over there and locate it real quick. I'm going to pause the video here. So about 30 feet back from that laundry drain tie-in for 3623, we've got another tie-in. Okay, we've got that spot located as well now. Zero out the footage again. Coming back still through 6-inch diameter concrete. Got a repaired section there. At some point, somebody replaced a section of this pipe due to likely a failure. Okay, we are now coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe. This is the shift spot from 4-inch to 6-inch diameter. I'm going to go locate this spot really quickly in the yard as well. Pausing the video again. Okay, we've got that spot located now. We're coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe. I'm going to zero out our footages again. So coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe now. This is running along the side of the house here where I'm making the recording from. We've got some roots coming through the pipe. Minor roots. This was cleaned recently, so very minor. And back into PVC for a small section here. So small section of this pipe has been replaced. Again, back into more 4-inch diameter here. You got a turn in the line there. Turn that's very tough to get around, so that concrete's very rough at that turn. and up out of the PVC here. So another 46 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe from that 4x6 transition back to the PVC, and then this is the clean out that's installed on the side of the house here. To end the video there. And then we're going to run over to the other side and take the video from the rest. So ending this video now.